What we realized from the previous video is that anytime we make a little changes, we have to run the application to see our changes reflect in the device or the emulator. That's slow. It becomes very slow to run the emulator just to see a little changes like a test change or something. So let me show you the fastest way to do it. In Compose, you don't need to run your application every time to see changes. We use something called preview. So this is an example of default preview when you create the application. So to see the preview, you come to the top section here. We have this saying code, and then we have the split mode, and then the design mode. The code shows you just the code that you've written, and then the split mode show you side by side the code and then the design. So as you can see, this is the test we are seeing over the hello world. Here we change the name, so I can copy this and paste in the preview. So once I paste it, you see it will refresh on its own and then show hello 𝐂𝐨𝐵 instantly. We don't need to run it to see on the device. The design mode, that one, it takes the code off and you just see the design for yourself. But in most cases, just put it on the split mode so that you can see your code and then also see your design. Once you know how to do this, let's see how to create it. So in Compose, your UI is simply a function. So to create a preview, just start with a function, the word fun, and then the name you want to give your preview. So I'll say test. So we use the word preview in front of it just so that we know that this composable is actually for a preview. And then you bring your function. If you are creating a compose for UI, you have to start with a capital letter. It's not like the regular controlling function that you start with a small letter. So that's one of the key difference between compose function and then the normal function. On top of the function, you have to put the annotation there at composable. So the function has to be compose function, and then secondly, you annotate preview on top of it. Once you have this, you see that our test preview started loading. So this was greeting preview over here, and then the test preview. Now it's just a function. So what do we want to preview inside? I want to preview this composable. So I'll copy this composable just like they did here, and then I'll pass it. And then whatever name you want to give it, so I'll pass mawulikazametibusiness. Once you have this, so you see this is the preview. So to create a preview, just start with a normal function, and then on top of the function, you do first you add composable to it, and then on top of it you add preview. Then you call the composable you want to preview inside it, and that's all. Another short way to write it is just type PREV and press on tab from your keyboard, and then this automatically generates setup for you. All you need is to pass the name you want to give it. So I'll call it demo preview. So I can pass the same greetings and then full name mawulikazametibusiness. Yeah. So you can either use the shortcut or you can type it out. But when you are beginning, try to type it out so that you get familiar with it. So that's how we learn. These are the fundamentals. Take your time and go through, try, experiment on your own. This is how you master it. So if you like this video and you find it helpful, subscribe to the channel, like the video and share as well. See you in the next video.